Welcome to my Auto Snap channel. The 2025 Toyota Sienna enters the minivan market with features and updates that are likely to appeal to families and adventurers alike. Toyota has retained the hybrid powertrain, which brings an ideal mix of power and fuel efficiency. The Sienna continues with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 245 horsepower. This setup prioritizes fuel economy without sacrificing the confidence needed for daily drives or long journeys. In addition to its efficient drive, the Sienna boasts an estimated fuel economy of 36 miles per gallon, giving it an edge over most competitors. This means fewer stops at the pump and more time on the road, making it a solid choice for road trips and family outings. One of the biggest updates in the 2025 model is the enhanced AWD system. Toyota has focused on offering a more responsive and dynamic drive, especially for drivers facing varied road conditions. The electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system sends power to the rear wheels when necessary, offering improved traction and stability in adverse weather. This gives the Sienna a versatile edge, allowing it to handle everything from wet city streets to snow-covered mountain roads. The AWD upgrade complements its hybrid engine, creating an efficient yet capable minivan suitable for all seasons. Inside, Toyota has taken comfort and convenience up a notch. The spacious cabin comfortably seats up to 8 passengers, with ample legroom and storage options throughout. The Sienna's interior is designed with families in mind, featuring power sliding doors, a second-row super long slide system, and available captain's chairs. These seats not only offer flexibility but also provide a more luxurious feel for second-row passengers. For families that need extra cargo space, the third-row seats easily fold flat, expanding storage and ensuring that the Sienna can handle anything from grocery runs to luggage for extended vacations. Additionally, Toyota's keen focus on noise reduction enhances the cabin's serenity, making long drives quieter and more enjoyable. Technology is where the 2025 Sienna shines. The model includes a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, allowing seamless integration of smartphones and smart home devices. The Sienna also comes equipped with a rear seat entertainment system that includes dual screens, keeping younger passengers engaged during trips. Toyota has prioritized convenience by adding multiple USB ports and available wireless charging, ensuring that devices stay powered throughout the journey. For the driver, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster provides all essential vehicle information at a glance, enhancing the experience with clear visuals and helpful prompts. Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 is standard in the 2025 Sienna, making safety a top priority. This suite includes pre-collision systems with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alerts with steering assistance, and road sign assistance. Together, these features create an additional layer of protection, helping drivers maintain safe distances, avoid potential accidents, and stay in control even on long or challenging drives. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert further enhance driver awareness, providing confidence whether on a bustling highway or navigating a crowded parking lot. Aesthetically, the 2025 Sienna offers a modern design that sets it apart from traditional minivans. The front grille is bold, and the LED headlights add a touch of sophistication. Toyota has also expanded the color palette to include new options, giving buyers more choices to personalize their vehicle. With its sleek lines and slightly aggressive stance, the Sienna appeals to those who want a practical family vehicle with a bit of style. The X trim, known for its sporty look, continues to offer black exterior accents and 20-inch alloy wheels, giving it an edge for buyers who want both functionality and flair. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Sienna remains a standout in the minivan segment. Its blend of fuel efficiency, advanced AWD capability, spacious interior, and technology-rich features make it a versatile choice for modern families. With Toyota's commitment to safety, innovation, and quality, the Sienna is equipped to handle the demands of daily life while also being ready for weekend adventures. Whether you're looking for a practical daily driver, a road trip companion, or a vehicle to shuttle kids to school and activities, the 2025 Sienna delivers on all fronts. Toyota's upgrades to the Sienna ensure that it's not just a minivan, but a smart, adaptable, and enjoyable choice for families everywhere.